BondLock Concrete Cleaner, Degreaser, and Etcher is the foundation of the Quikrete BondLock high-performance system. Quikrete BondLock is the essential first step for any new or bare concrete floor. It allows the coating to bond tightly to the surface, eliminating cracking and peeling while extending the life of the coating. This easy, one-step process cleans, degreases, and etches all at the same time. This saves valuable time and money, while competitors' products often require 3 to 4 different products to accomplish the same thing. Quikrete BondLock is available in a ready-to-use gallon container or in a concentrated 1 quart size, available only with this kit. One container of Quikrete BondLock covers approximately 250 square feet. That's about the size of a 1-car garage. Quikrete BondLock is step 1 of a 2-step process: surface preparation followed by surface coating. Before you start, determine if BondLock can be used on your concrete by testing its porosity. To do this, sprinkle on a little water. If the water soaks in readily, the concrete is porous enough and ready to be cleaned with BondLock. If the water beads, it means the surface has been previously sealed. Please refer to the instructions before you proceed. Remember, only new or bare concrete can be cleaned and etched. To begin, remove all items from the garage floor to allow easy access to the surface. Scrape up paint spatters, caulk, or gum. Next, sweep the entire surface to remove any dirt or debris. The surface must be cleaned of any foreign materials. This will ensure paint can adhere to it or stain can penetrate it. Be sure to sweep or vacuum dirt out of the cracks, joints, and corners thoroughly. Tip: a leaf blower comes in handy to blow debris away from the garage entrance and prevent it from blowing back in as you work. First, use a garden hose to lightly wet the entire surface before applying Quikrete BondLock. Divide the garage into quarter sections from front to back and plan ahead to work your way out of the garage. The next step is to use BondLock to clean, degrease, and etch in one easy step. Be sure to follow all label instructions before using BondLock. Tip: cover any nearby shrubbery to avoid direct exposure. It's recommended that long pants, rubber boots, rubber gloves, and eye protection be used when working with this product. Apply BondLock to 25% of the area from a plastic watering can in a sweeping, back-and-forth fashion. Metal cans should not be used. Use a stiff bristle brush to work the product into the concrete. At this time, you should see the wet surface start to gently bubble and fizz. This is normal. On ground-in stains, extra scrubbing may be necessary for effective removal. Tip: for best results, scrub in 2 directions perpendicular to each other. After scrubbing the section, use the garden hose to rinse the dirt, concrete dust, and cleaner residue from the garage before proceeding to the next section. Repeat these steps on each remaining section of the garage floor. When finished with all sections, rinse the entire garage one final time to ensure that all residue has been cleaned off. The garage floor must be completely dry before the application of any type of coating. Usually, allowing the surface to dry overnight is sufficient. The drying process can be aided by removing excess water with a wet-dry vacuum, or by creating more airflow by keeping the garage door open and by using fans. Once the surface has completely dried, you're ready to apply the top coat. The crucial first step of surface preparation is complete and done properly. This will help ensure beautiful and long-lasting results.